All right, today's video is talking about how to pick a primary clutch for your Polaris 1000. We have three different options. We know what muddies up the water and it can be confusing, hence this video. So I will tell you what each one is first, and then after I kind of explain the differences, then we'll come in at the tail end and I'll give you my opinion on how you decide or help you decide which one to pick. Okay, first of all, we offer the Asian made clutch, and we've had it a while. It is going to be on par with an OEM clutch, no better, no worse. The price is right. It has no special features like our Team Rapid Response and the Hunterworks branded clutches. It's almost a copy. Now I wouldn't say copy, but it's just has nothing special about it, and it's a decent clutch for the price. Okay, clutch number two, and I just happen to have one here because we just did the introduction video on it, is the Team Rapid Response primary clutch by DuraClutch. Okay, well, why? That's a mouthful, I get it. Team Industries makes an OEM clutch called a Rapid Response. They use them on some Articats and some other things, and years ago they made aftermarket clutches, and Hunterworks used to sell them. And they were a good quality clutch, but they decided to get out of the aftermarket. But DuraClutch, the owners of the two companies, DuraClutch and Team, are real good friends, and they influenced them to bring this clutch back out with some DuraClutch specific upgrades to it, and they did it. So one of the upgrades on the clutch is the spider nut and spider are right hand and left hand like our Hunterworks primary is. And it's it's made here in the United States. It's a high quality clutch, good bearings, the whole 9 yards. It's just a good all around clutch, and it is certainly a step up from OEM for sure, and it is certainly a step up from the Asian made clutch, and it is just under the Hunterworks primary. Now we've had our Hunterworks primaries out, the Gen 3, since January of 24. They've been almost bulletproof. We got a lot of water under the bridge on them, a lot of data, what problems or no problems, and again, they've just been bulletproof. The features in it that neither of these have is a shrouded washer in the middle of the clutch, so down by the bearing, so if you blow a belt, it's less likely to get belt strings in there and tear that washer out. We have the absolute best flyweight rollers, the roller that runs on top of the flyweight. They've been the most reliable roller I've ever experienced here. And then lastly, we have the sound deadening spider buttons in it that makes the clutch a lot quieter at idle. And once again, it's made here in the United States. So as you see, every time you step up, you get some added features and some added value. You go, I don't hold me to the price, but I think the Asian one's in the $300-something range. The new Team one is $499 empty, and a Hunterworks empty is $725. So every time you step up, of course, it costs more money. Two of the three are made in the United States. Okay, now, how do you pick? Well, it all depends. One is how much money can you spend, and what are your goals, and how demanding are you? If you said, we hardly ever ride it, maybe we're going to sell it soon, we don't want to leave the next owner with crappy Chinese-made clutches, which all other cast aluminum clutches out there are, regardless of the brand, then the bargain one, Asian-made we have, would be a good pick for you. You go up the next notch. You go, I need more reliability than that. On a slight budget, I would prefer to spend a couple $100 less money. I'm not a super demanding guy. We just drive around, do whatever. Not real demanding. Then absolutely the Team Rapid Response by DuraClutch is going to make for a great choice. If you go, I want the ultimate, most reliable clutch with a track record of being reliable, then you're going to want to go to the Hunterworks primary. Okay, now I was just thinking about this. All of these, even all the way down, it's equal to the OE clutch. When you step up both times, they're going to be better. And another thing, I just checked the price on an OE clutch, and last time I checked, I could have swore they were $849 empty for an OE primary. And the other day I looked, and I think they were $7.99. So even Hunterworks brand, that is the ultra reliable, is still cheaper by $75 to $100 less than an OEM, and the OEM is no better than our Asian made clutch. Okay, so I apologize for muddying up the water and giving you so many choices, but we needed a bargain clutch. We needed our own brand clutch, and this new rapid response kind of fell in our lap with exclusivity to us and one other company. And how could we say no with it being a quality clutch? It falls right in the middle, and we can support it. So hopefully that clears things up for you. If you got any questions on any of these three clutches, Todd at hunterworks.com. Thanks.